You know your yard's got a little bit of water in it when your ducks go swimming in your front yard. Check out the drake. See the big drake? And the female next to him. Watch them. Hang on, let's zoom in on him. Watch him. He's swimming. This is my front yard. Now, never mind, they have ponds, pools there to swim in. But look at them. They're swimming. They're literally swimming in my front yard. Chickens are loving it. Look at that. Chasing the bugs, chasing the worms. Oh, I just thought that was amazing. Stepped out the door, and my drake is swimming in my front yard. There, let's check her out. Check her out. Check her out. It's deep enough for her to get going. Look at that. What are you whining about? What are you whining about, you big head? At least all my birds are out. Look at this. Got chickens. A couple of hens are like, yeah, I'm going back in the house. I've had enough. But the ducks are loving it, man. Look at that. Look at that. They're actually swimming in my front yard. Big head, you can't keep getting in the picture. Here, hang on. She's got to have her moment in the spotlight. Nikita. Come. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. All right. See all the bugs that the chicks are getting after? Big head, quit hitting my arm. Look at my ducks swimming in my front yard. Look at that. And they're actually swimming. That's something else there now. Doggone yellow flies. Stop. Hey, go over there and lay down. Come on now. You're right in the way. Believe it or not, there's grass under there somewhere. That is a lawn. But right now it's a pond. A duck pond. There you go. We have our built-in front yard duck pond. See what I mean? Look at her swimming across there. You would say she's waiting, but more or less, she's swimming. I think ducks, 2 or 3 inches of water. Big head, lay down. Come on, baby girl. I guess they said, okay, we're done swimming. Swim time's over. Everybody out of the pool. Now the rooster, he's gonna go over there and say, okay, I've got this under control. Hey, big head, down in front. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the fun we have in Northeast Florida. With all the rain that turns your yard into a duck pond. Chickens out there. Hey, chickens over there. Chickens over there. Yeah. More water. More water. Have another standing pond over there in that low spot. Yeah. And about 15 minutes prior to this storm coming through the squall line, I was cutting grass. As you can see, the grass there is short and the grass there is long. And the definitive barrier line is right outside on that corner. Because I cut that part, and I was in the process, and actually I haven't finished that part. I've got the center section there to do. Big girl, come on now. No, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. That's 3 times now. But I was cutting the center section when the storm came upon me. And you can see it marching in just like we do at sea. Any sailor knows that, you know, you see a squall line coming, it's time to dog down and batten down the hatches and ride it out. Chickens obviously enjoy all the bugs and worms brought to the surface by the rain. Every one of them scratching and pecking. Oh, I hear a frog. He's a brave soul. There's many a bird in this place that'll eat that frog whole. Look at the ducks. Look at them. That one duck there, she just nearly submerged completely. Big head, lay down. Nikita, lay down. Stop getting in the camera, girl. That's twice now. Lay down. You are going to get on my nerve today. You hear that crow? Come lay in this yard. We got the Drake over there. He'll definitely get on it. Old little banty rooster over there likes to fight. Both them two right there like to fight. Let them get on him. Yeah. Then you got, where's the Rhodesian Reds? You got the Rhodesian Red hens out there like that one. And that one, they definitely like to fight. Show their dominance. More thunder. End of June 2018. And this is the lovely time we have. Look at the little banty rooster out there. He just strolled out there and got him a bug or something. My Australorps and my Apatines all up here. There's Angel, Blondie. Blondie just chased the other little rooster off. Goldie and Brownie. They've come a long ways. They were small enough to hold in a teacup when we purchased them. Now look at them. Ladies and gentlemen, as enriching this is, as fun as this is, yellow flies are really annoying. So I'm gonna call it quits, take myself inside behind the screen door and indulge in another adult cocktail. I think that Drake just stuck his head clean through that fence. He did. Once again, it's always fun when your front yard turns into a duck pond. I'm going inside. I'm gonna feed these dogs, since one dog won't get out of my face because she's hungry, I guess. And indulge in another adult beverage. Check on Pops. And enjoy the country life. Cool breeze to the screen door. Temperature dropped like 20 degrees, 15 degrees easy. It was 90 some odd degrees 4 o'clock. And it's now, it's 8 o'clock now, and it's probably 70, 75 maybe. At the most, 75. Check out the ducks. I think that'll be the title of this video. Impromptu Duck Pond. Courtesy of Mother Nature's squall line. By the way, folks, I'm getting out of the yellow flies. Y'all have a good evening. Stay frosty.